Oh, sweetheart, isn't that lovely? Oh, I just adore the sound of rain, especially on a cozy night, knowing it's so warm in here, and the soft rush and thump of the raindrops is outside. Shh, darling, there. It's okay. You're all sleepy. Yes, you are. You're very sleepy. I can see your little eyes fluttering. Are they fluttering, darling? Well, in any case, it is your bedtime, and Mummy's going to take care of you. If you find the thunderstorm even the slightest bit scary, I'll stay with you and tell you all about it. And hopefully, I can help you to realize how lovely listening to the rainfall can be. When Mummy's alone and feeling blue, yes, even I get that way sometimes, darling. And I'm cuddled up in bed, trying to get settled. Nothing makes me quite so calm and happy as the lovely sound of rain. It reminds me of tromping around in puddles and playing with my friends when I was little. Yes, sweetheart, even Mummy was little once. Oh, that was a long time ago, wasn't it? Mummy's so big. Think of all the little birds tucked away in their nests, watching the raindrops fall over the boughs of the trees. They're not getting soaked, Princess. They've built their homes so cleverly. They're nice and snug in their little woven sanctuaries. Think of all the bunnies in their burrows, cuddling into each other for warmth. Yes, just like you and me, darling. Oh, cuddle, big cuddle, yeah. And smelling the soft smell of earth after rain. All the little field and forest creatures, knowing that the water falling means life is going on as it ought to. The plants will grow up big and strong. The soil will be rich and lovely. And you know, darling, we're just little creatures too. Well, okay, Mummy is a slightly bigger creature than her little girl. But rain is so important for our whole world. I think it's a lovely thing, and it's a good thing to be grateful for. Okay, enough waxing lyrical. Did you brush your teeth, Princess? If you didn't get around to it yet, Mummy can come and help you, okay? It's so important just before bed, so don't forget, all right? Okay, sweetheart, I know I always say that. But that's just because it's always true. It's true every night, darling. Okay, baby girl. You ready for bed now? That's my good girl. Oh, up we get. Legs under the covers. And I'll come and snuggle up in bed with you just until you fall asleep. There we go, Angel. Pillows for my little princess. Yes, lots of pillows for royalty. And a pillow for Mummy too, just one. Let's pull the blankets up and get nice and comfy cozy together. There. Gosh, sweetheart, look at you. Aren't you just so sweet? My sleepy little girl, so ready to be cuddled with and adored and loved. You are impossibly precious. Big cuddle, okay? That's right. Let's get all tangled up with each other, and you can snuggle into me while I stroke your little back and help you get sleepy. Oh, listen to that rain, darling. Absolutely lovely. Just think of all the rivers rushing with the rain, all the frogs having a little holiday, jumping and splashing about in it, all the trees so green and verdant as their leaves get watered. And you know, darling, the rain helps them make air for everyone to breathe. It's because of the rain falling on the trees that we can have deep breaths and sing songs and snore. Oh, yes, I know, Mummy did snore when she fell asleep with you last night, didn't she? It was so loud, wasn't it? Isn't Mummy silly? So you see, darling, the trees and the grass and the bushes are helping us every single day, and the rain is helping them. Isn't that lovely, Angel? I think it's just wonderful to think about. It makes you remember how beautiful the natural world can be and how intricate it is, like a lovely painting that came into being entirely on its own. Well, sweetheart, you are also like a lovely painting, but there were a few additional parties involved in bringing you into being, I think. And that is wonderful in its own way. Here we go. Nice soft cuddle. And let's just listen for a little bit and do some deep breaths. That should help you drift off. Just breathe with me, princess. I'm going to go nice and slow, okay? In and out. A nice, slow, sumptuous breath in and all the way out. A breath in and a breath out. One more, darling. Can you do it with Mummy? Breathe in and let it out. Oh, that was so good, darling. You did so well. I can see your little eyelids fluttering. So sleepy, so soft, so sweet. Oh, that's right, sweetheart. My little girl is all those things, and she's right here with her Mummy, nice and safe, ready for a lovely, long, relaxing sleep. You are so precious, darling. I want you to know that and hold it in your heart because it's true. I'm just going to gently stroke your hair, Angel. I want to cherish this moment with you. There. So cozy. From your head all the way down to your little toes. Can you wriggle your toes? Mummy's got you, princess. And I'm going to make sure you stay cozy and safe, with all the cuddles in the world if necessary. And you know, Mummy's cuddles are magic, and they protect against nightmares and bad dreams. Why don't we listen to the rain together, just for a little bit longer, and I'll sing to you, and you can gently drift off to dreamland. I love you, darling. Sleep well and sweet dreams. I know, it's a nice lullaby, isn't it?